Once changed the crop, from the settings page, you have shortcut options to different functionalities, and of course, you can adjust the machine settings. Copy user to target settings, copy factory to target settings, save user settings, and copy target to user settings. Starting from the top, the copy user to target setting option allows you to quickly copy the operator-specific settings in the target settings. To do that, try to set your preferred parameters in the lower rack. Then click on the Copy User to Target Settings icon to copy your settings. After that, you will find the copied factory settings to target settings function. In this case, just click on the factory icon on the right side of the screen and you will see the target settings quickly copied in the target rack. The next icon will allow you to save the user settings. Click on that and quickly save the preferred user settings. The last function, Copy Target to User Settings, will copy the target settings in the upper rack, in the user settings in the lower rack. Remember, every time you change crop, the first settings appearing in the target rack are always the factory settings. You can also change the crop from the isobus menu. We will see how to use all the functionalities related to the isobus in the dedicated tutorial.